This is the Business Hour in partnership with Network B2B, helping you share your passion, knowledge, and make great connections.
You're listening to the Business Hour. It's Steve out and about. I'm at the offices of Make It York today, and I'm with Mark from Make It York. Mark, how are you?
I'm very well, Steve.
Thanks for spending some time with us today. We're dipping into the What's On diary here, so you've got a couple of events that are happening. Would you like to tell us about them?
Yeah, certainly. We regularly put on business masterclasses, which are available and open to anybody in business, regardless of the age of your business, the scale of your business, or whatever sector you're in. Absolutely everybody is welcome. They're a mixture of half-day sort of taster workshops, as well as more in-depth looking at a particular subject, full-day workshops where we limit the number of delegates to 10. Coming up in May, we have two. The first is a half-day workshop all about setting your business aside from the competition by having a very robust business strategy in place. It'll be looking at subjects about the importance of goal setting, how you should think strategically, and why focusing on who your perfect customers are will help you deliver added value and real customer value. In addition to that, we've got a full day masterclass which will look at the topic of how to manage workplace stress. This is a subject that a number of businesses recently have been talking to me about, and they just want to, as employers, ensure that they're doing the right thing and that they're taking all the practical steps that they need to ensure that anybody within their workplace who is suffering from stress is helped to overcome it, and that any adjustments that need to be made in the workplace are done so. And that everybody is looked after in the right way. So that's a bit of a more in-depth look at how businesses can make any adjustments and work with their people to manage workplace in distress.
Brilliant. And what a lovely background we've got this morning, because the brass band or the army is playing outside in the streets of York. So Mark, how can people find out more about these events?
Quite simply, Steve, if they go on to the York Means Business website and then click through onto the events page, all the masterclasses are shown there together with other business support events happening around the city.
Brilliant. Thank you for joining us today on the Business Hour.
This is the Business Hour in partnership with Network B2B, helping you share your passion, knowledge, and make great connections. Like to share news about your business, event, seminar, or workshop? Simply email steve@stevetwynham.com.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to this podcast for business. If you would like to feature your business in Podcast for Business and the Business Hour podcast, I would love to hear from you. Simply email steve@stevetwynham.com. The Business Hour podcast is produced and presented by Steve Twynham. Copyright applies.